Hi everybody, I'm going to be going through with you today all of our different electric file attachments, when you're going to be using them, how you're going to use them, and the difference between all of them. So let's get into the demo. So I'm going to be going through with you now the process using all your different electric file attachments. So the very first process that you will be doing is your cuticle work. So when it comes to using your attachments, the two different ones of choice would be either a cone attachment or an undernail cleaner. So I'm going to be using these now and just show you the difference with both of these attachments. I usually recommend the cone attachment for a novice and the undernail cleaner for the advanced technician. So first of all, I'm going to put in my cone attachment. I'm just going to put it the majority of the way into my e-file. I'm going to turn my e-file onto 3, which is 3000, and then I'm going to press the motor on button. So for my cuticle work, I'm going to hold with an under grip, and I'm going to work, because I'm a right-handed technician, so I'm going to be working from the right, moving it towards myself to the left. So now I'm going to be running through doing my cuticle work with my undernail cleaner. This is my personal preference for an attachment. And again, I'm just going to be running from my right to my left. So now that I've done all of my cuticle work, my next step is on my natural nail. So I've got 2 different attachments that I would be choosing, again, depending on if you're a novice or if you're an advanced technician. So you can either use your mandrel with a sanding band. We recommend a medium band, or you can use your diamond barrel. It comes in a medium or a coarse option. And again, I would be choosing that medium. So I'm going to run through both of these attachments, filing the shine off your natural nail. This time I'm going to be switching from my cuticle work and doing this natural nail work. So I'm going to increase the rotation with my e-file. So now I've got it set at 5. So again, I'm just going to turn the motor on. This time I'm going to be working with an over grip. So I'm holding over the finger, and I'm going to be, again, working on a diagonal from the top right point to the bottom left is the diagonal that you're going to be working with. And I'm going to remove all the shine. Now the next attachment that I've got in is my diamond barrel in a medium. This is my preference for an attachment working over a natural nail. You can also, if you've applied your tip, you can file in that contact area that the tip's been applied. It's a great tool instead of using your hand file. So again, I'm going to be using my over grip, and I'm still going to work at that diagonal point for holding my attachment, working from the top right over down to the bottom left. Right, so that's all of my natural nail work done using both the cuticle and the natural nail attachments. So now my next step using any attachments would be over an enhancement. So I've got 2 different attachments out, which are the safety bits. Now they come in a left-handed and a right-handed option. Now the first one that I'm going to be using is the medium safety bit. That is great for removing any soft gels, removing your go time or your manicure application. You can also use this if you're starting into the industry and you're needing to remove any acrylic. It's great because it's got that rounded end. Great that it's not going to be getting close to or having any worry that it's going to be affecting the cuticle area. So I'm going to file one of my acrylics in using my safety bit. Again, I'm just going to be putting my attachment just about all the way in. This time I'm going to select my speed at 15 on my e-file. Again, I'm going to be working with that over grip, and I'm going to be looking at that side structure, and I'm going to do my I-formation roadmap of my e-filing. So now that I've e-filed in my acrylic using my safety bit medium, I'm going to do my next one with a safety bit coarse. Now the difference is it's got a little bit more grunt, so it's going to get through your acrylics a little bit quicker. You do need to be a little bit lighter with your pressure. Again, I'm going to be getting in with my over grip, and I'm going to follow my I-formation roadmap. So now that I've filed all of my enhancements and my natural nails using my attachments, all that I would get in there now and do is just a little bit of finish filing with my 150 grit file, and my nails will be done. So everybody, that's the difference between all of our attachments. Hopefully I've cleared some things up for you today. Don't forget to jump onto the website. They are 30% off for this month. So happy shopping, and I'll see you in the next video.